everyone. I hope you're keeping well at home. Thank you for joining me today for our assembly. So I would like to talk to you today about things that have been happening in the news lately, and it's not to do with the coronavirus. So right now, across the world, people are speaking up and speaking out about racism. So racism is when people are treated differently just because of the colour of their skin or where they're from or even their culture and their beliefs. So at Aylward we know already that racism is wrong, and here is a very simple way that I'd like to explain it to you this morning. So I've brought 3 friends along with me this morning for our assembly, and as you can see, each of my friends has got a different colour shell. We've got a peachy colour shell, a very pale white blue shell and a dark brown shell. Now racism would mean that my friend here with the dark brown shell is treated badly and doesn't get the same opportunities, the same chances in life as my other 2 friends. And at Aylward we know that this isn't fair, and people all over the world are saying that it's time that this changes, because we know that whatever the colour on the outside, we're all, here we go, just like an egg, and we're all the same on the inside. So the unfair treatment of black people, especially a man called George Floyd, who died last month in America, has made people feel really upset and angry. And George Floyd's death was just one of many, many people who have been killed because of the colour of their skin. So people are now demanding that the world is made a better place and there is a movement to try and stop racism. So one way that people are doing this is by protesting. And you've probably seen images on the news, in the newspaper, on the internet, of people coming together and to protest about what's happening. So I'd like to share with you now a book that's called Peaceful Fights for Equal Rights by Rob Sanders, and it will help explain different ways that people can protest when they think that something is wrong. So in this book you might find that you don't understand the meaning of all the words. Now that's okay, just look at the illustrations, the pictures, or maybe ask somebody at home or your teacher to help you understand them. Peaceful Fights for Equal Rights by Rob Sanders. Assemble, take action, create allies. Make buttons, make banners, make bumper stickers too. Boycott, boycott, boycott. Chant, cheer, call someone. Campaign, camp out. Demonstrate, don't give up, don't give in. Educate, encourage, endure. Be fearless, fly a flag, file a lawsuit, have faith. Give time, give strength, give money if you can. Shake a hand, lend a hand. Have hope, be hope. Inquire, inform, imagine, invite. Join others on the journey. Join others in the fight. Knit a hat. Take a knee. Listen, learn, lead. Light a candle, write a letter, pass laws. March, mediate, meditate, motivate. Never stop. Organise, organise, organise. Parade, picket, post. Persist, persevere. Pray. Ask questions. Never quit. Quietly do what's right. Read, remember, resist. Stand up, speak out, sit down, sing loud, be silent. Strike. Turn up the volume. Unite. Vote. Volunteer. Keep vigil. Be non-violent. Wear it. Wave it. Work for it. Write about it. Explain change. Exemplify change. Expect change. You can only do what you can do, so do it. Be zealous. So in many of the protesting images that you've seen, you've probably noticed people holding banners, wearing t-shirts, or chanting the words Black Lives Matter. So what does this mean? So Black Lives Matter is a movement, and that's a group of people who come together because they all believe in the same thing. So this movement is followed by thousands of people all over the world, and they all are fighting for change so that people with black colour skin are treated more fairly and have the same opportunities as everybody else. So this organisation also helps to teach people how to be anti-racists. And right now they are saying Black Lives Matter, which means black people need our help. So I hope that the Assembly today has helped you begin to understand about issues such as racism, protesting, and why the Black Lives Matter movement is so important. And I also want you to remember that if there's something that you don't believe in or that you want to change, there are things that you can do. You could write a letter, draw a picture, make a sign, or speak to your teacher or an adult at home about how you're feeling. Thank you for joining us for Assembly this morning. I hope I see you in school very soon.